Kia ora, we're Team MYOBies, made up of Win, Jisoo and myself, Liz. We're here to introduce you to our new tool called Arlo. Meet Jen. She, like thousands of others, were made redundant during COVID. Instead of rejoining the corporate workforce, she has decided to make one of her passions, jewelry making, into an e-commerce business. After meticulously designing and crafting each of her jewelry pieces, she goes about looking for customers. This is where she begins to feel overwhelmed. There are many time-consuming and repetitive steps in her journey to marketing her products to prospective customers. This leaves her feeling unempowered and lost in her business. Additionally, she's heard of all of these new AI tools which could aid in her workflow, but they remain fragmented, often hidden behind paywalls. In fact, Jen's problem is not dissimilar to others. 87% of entrepreneurs and small business owners reported negative experiences with social media burnout, which extended to impact every aspect of their business. We've identified that the marketing workflow is filled with many pain points. Furthermore, recent advancements in AI create an incredible opportunity for us to synergize these technologies and use them to propel marketing to new heights. With our game-changing solution, we address these pain points head-on, offering a streamlined marketing workflow and harnessing the power of AI to transform data into actionable insights. Introducing Arlo, your personal, intelligent media team. Arlo creates value at every stage of your marketing workflow, right from the automation of visual graphics and content, to the optimization of building custom marketing schedules which directly connect to social media apps. And finally, the data and analytics to gain AI-generated insights to inform the growth of your business. By harnessing generative AI, we're able to address Jen's key pain points and build a platform which empowers entrepreneurs to focus directly on why they started their business in the first place. Now, handing over to Win to give you a tech demo.
Thanks, Liz. Here we have the landing page for Arlo, where users can either log in or sign up. When signing up, users must fill out overview questions of their brand. This includes details which will help our AI be informed before generating content. Once an account is created, we are taken to the posting overview page, where we can see a high-level schedule of our posts. The calendar is currently empty, so we can create a new project by clicking on the top right button. We've created characters to guide users through the process of generating content. Liz here will ask users to choose between creating either an event or a campaign type project. Depending on which type is chosen, different details will be asked. Once that is filled out, Ben will generate the marketing images and posts. Users can then click on a post to change its details. This includes generating the description or even making manual changes to the image through editor mode. As you can see here, there are different options you can choose to edit the images. After finalizing the content, we can head back to the overview to see the calendar is populated with scheduled posts. The posting will be automated directly onto the app. This removes the hassle of downloading and remembering to post consistently. This calendar can also be filtered to only show posts from certain social media or certain projects. We can still make changes to these posts even after it's been finalized. Lastly, we have generated data which will give users details and insights on their performance. This page highlights the overview of engagements across all social media, and there will also be media-specific pages, for instance, Instagram. Insights will also be used by our AI to learn which and when posts gets the most views in order to optimize engagement. Now, moving on, our chosen software architecture is the MERN stack. MERN is widely used in the industry, well documented online, and consistently updated, meaning we will be able to access the wealth of talent easily. Our database, MongoDB, provides flexibility in handling various data structures and allows for seamless scaling as our application grows. Grafana, our visualization tool, seamlessly integrates with MongoDB as a data source, empowering us to effortlessly create custom visualizations and monitor essential performance metrics. We use AWS Lambda as our compute service because it provides tokenization, encryption, and security. This makes sure that our users' important login details, payment, and brand data is protected from unauthorized access. Now I'll hand it over to Jisoo, who will talk about partnerships.
Thanks, Win. Arlo will partner with OpenAI to generate the content using platforms such as ChatGPT for text generation and DALL-E for image generation. The content will then be distributed on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and LinkedIn. The global market opportunity for our tool is sizable at $94.5 billion and growing at a rate of 17.8%. Our first go-to market is Australia and New Zealand, targeting small and micro businesses with about 1.2 million potential customers. We have done thorough research into the competitive landscape and how Arlo fits and differentiates from our competitors. Scoping into the most relevant tools, no competitor fits the exact niche as Arlo. In terms of providing a whole service across the entire content creation to data insight workflow, packaged in one easy-to-use tool. Regulatory compliance includes respecting intellectual property, protecting user data, and following ethical guidelines for fair and responsible use of AI systems. We have identified some key risks involved with generative AI and their mitigations. To mitigate for these risks, robust and diverse data will be used when training the model, as well as implementing mechanisms for user feedback and incorporating it into the model updates. Additionally, key contracted work will be carried out from legal and compliance experts to ensure that our solution is feasible. Now back to Liz about our business model.
Thanks, Jisoo. Arlo will be available to customers through 3 distinct tiers. The free tier allows for rapid adoption of new users due to the low barrier to entry. They're limited by the amount of projects they're able to curate, which will incentivize the rapid conversion to the premium tier. We estimate the pricing for this tier at $25 per month, which is price competitive. The enterprise tier will allow us to unlock larger markets of medium to large businesses. This will be priced conservatively at $40 per month, but will be dependent on the organization. The go-to-market of Arlo will consist of rapid, agile development and deployment in 3 key stages. This strategy allows us to bring our product to market rapidly, gaining market share and penetration through an early mover's advantage. Phase 1 consists of the MVP and will feature the building of the content generation and posting automation. Phase 2 is the direct integration with mainstream social media apps, allowing us to build out the AI data insights. Phase 3 is the construction of the enterprise features, allowing us to roll out the 3rd tier of our pricing and reach more users. Tranching this development over the first year, we expect to have beta testing of an MVP product in the 2nd quarter, and an initial launch product at the start of the 3rd quarter. Phase 3 will be built and deployed at the end of the 4th quarter, resulting in the full product launch. After validating Arlo within the ANZ market, we will globalize to the US and do not expect large barriers to entry if we follow stringent legal and compliance guidelines from the beginning of our software development. After the initial year, we have devised multiple strategies to expand Arlo into other sources of revenue. Firstly, we plan to implement a feature that allows users to directly purchase and print brand merchandise through the web app. Secondly, we aim to broaden Arlo's enabling entrepreneurs to sell their products directly through the platform. Thirdly, we will focus on developing the AI Insights feature, which will become more valuable over time as it's trained on more user data. In the first year, we estimate around 3,000 active users subscribe to our premium tier. The costs are estimated at $280K. This includes wages for hiring 2 full-stack engineers, as well as management and legal fees, and hosting service fees and licensing. Without estimations and assumptions, we expect to break even within 2.5 years since the initial investment. So now, I'm sure you're interested to know, where is Jen now? She was able to spend more time doing what she was passionate about, and empowered by AI, created products her growing customer base loved. Her constant social media engagement meant she was able to curate a loyal, engaged, and large fan base quickly, whilst avoiding burnout. All because of Arlo. Thank you.